Hello, my name is Johnny Rulon from LearnersToDevelopers.com, and this is the third video in the HTML Basics course. In this video, we'll be creating our very first HTML page. So, let's fire up Notepad++ and start. Okay, here I am in Notepad+, and in Notepad+, the very first feature I would like you to get familiar with is the language feature. So if you could come down here and select HTML, what it does is it highlights some of the helpful tags and things like that in your HTML page. So let's start coding. So HTML is a wrapping language. Everything in an HTML page is within what are called tags. Now, basically a tag is a predefined set of letters like HTML within a less than and a greater than sign. For an exhaustive list of tags, you could go to w3schools.com, go to HTML, and you can click on tag list, and you could find a very exhaustive list of tags over here. Now, we're going to be dealing with a very specific list of tags in our page. Now, the first two tags, probably the most important tags within the HTML tag, is the head and the body tag. Okay. Now, the head tag contains information about the page. We'll get more into the head tag in a later video. But there's only one tag I want you to get familiar with right now inside the head tag, which is the title tag. Okay. Now inside the body tag, we want to type in the div tag. The div tag will soon become your best friend when coding HTML pages because it's a very helpful tag. Basically initializes a section in a web page. So we're going to type, hello, this is my first web page. And we're going to save this as, and when you select a language property, Notepad+ is smart enough to recognize if you're using that language, so we select on HTML and smart enough to say we're going to be using HTML page, and if not, you could just save this as a .html file, and I'm just going to save this as first page, and I'm going to save this onto my desktop. Okay, and I'm going to minimize this, and there it is. It's an HTML file. If we go to properties, we'll see that it is a it's of type .html, and let's open this up in Google Chrome. Okay, there it is. Now, oops, I might be zoomed in a little bit. Okay, now there it is. This is what we expected, and now if we right click on view page source, view page source shows the HTML that made up the page, and zoom in a little bit, we see that the HTML that we have is similar to the HTML that Google Chrome has. It's pretty much the same, and that's because that is what the page rendered. This is what we typed in, and this is what we get in. This is what makes up the page in the web browser. Now, in the next video, we will go in depth into these tags and see exactly what they do. But that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and keep watching. Thank you. Bye.